Is your job hunt taking longer than expected? Would you like to know some ways to earn cash without being employed? Learn how to make money without a job to stay afloat in these challenging times. Welcome back to the Finance Zoom channel. In today's video, I'll discuss Robert Kiyosaki's insights on making money without a job, focusing on the 3 key life success factors. Hear this out.
Don't let failure ever stop you. Use your brain, use your creativity.
That's right. As Robert Kiyosaki was saying, don't ever let failure deter you. Use your creativity and intellect to overcome obstacles and forge your path to success. This insightful advice underscores the importance of resilience and resourcefulness in pursuing financial independence and prosperity. According to Oberlo, it's no secret that the COVID-19 outbreak has created a shockingly tough job market. Companies aren't hiring as much as they used to, and roles that once attracted few candidates now have numerous people interested. In such times, assessing your job prospects and acknowledging financial challenges is essential. Consider exploring alternative income sources like flexible side gigs and freelancing, which can be a valuable lifeline, especially if facing financial constraints. These opportunities can sustain your livelihood and lead to unexpected growth in a constantly changing job market. This approach aligns with Robert Kiyosaki's wealth generation philosophy beyond the traditional 9-to-5 job. Before pursuing non-traditional income, recognize that starting a business is one accessible path to this goal. I recommend exploring entrepreneurship as you plan your financial future. Next, when Robert Kiyosaki delves into education, he highlights 3 crucial aspects: academic, professional, and financial education. He says, "I believe that these are distinct pillars of knowledge that pave the way for success. Each pillar uniquely contributes to your overall understanding and proficiency in business landscape navigation." The 3 key factors to success in life.
Failure should inspire you to get smarter. And unfortunately, our school system says if you fail, you're stupid. That is not true. We learn from our mistakes. Mistakes are opportunities to get smarter, be humble, and take a look at something.
First key factor: education. In your academic journey, remember that it forms the foundation of your learning. Mastering reading, writing, and arithmetic equip you with essential tools for navigating the world of knowledge. While some may emphasize that this initial education is crucial for success and financial gain, it's vital to understand that failure doesn't make you inadequate. It's an opportunity for growth. Traditional education sometimes misrepresents failure as a sign of being unintelligent, but that's far from the truth. Mistakes are golden chances to learn, grow, and improve. As you face challenges in your academic pursuits, view every stumble as a chance to become stronger. Embrace humility, acknowledge your mistakes, and use them as platforms for growth. Education isn't just about perfection, it's a journey of continuous improvement. Stay curious, hungry for knowledge, and open to learning from your failures. This mindset shift will undoubtedly contribute to your overall success and development. Professional education. For those pursuing professional education, recognize that you're investing in yourself and your future. Mastery in your chosen field can open doors to endless opportunities and personal growth. However, if you're not on this particular path, remember that not having a traditional professional education doesn't define your worth or potential. There are numerous ways to succeed and contribute to the world without a formal degree. Your unique skills, passions, and creativity hold immense value. Whether on the journey of professional education or forging your distinct path, understand that your journey matters. Embrace your strengths, keep learning, and always believe in your ability to shape your destiny.
But I realized from my rich dad talking to me, that if I understood financially, I could make money 24/7 without working. That was the difference. So what you'll be learning about this today is how we make money 24/7 without working. Okay.
As Robert Kiyosaki shares his insights into comprehending financial education, he's saying it's more important than other types of education. He believes that if we grasp how money works, we can earn money even when we're not constantly working. This idea makes more sense than just working hard all the time. By learning about money and other essentials, we can set up a solid foundation to be financially secure. This is where the fundamental transformation happens. Seeing how we recognize the immense potential of understanding financial concepts early in life is fascinating. What's even more intriguing is that this type of education isn't just valuable, it's essential. If there's one area of education you absolutely must prioritize, it's understanding finances. Through this education, you gain the power to build wealth and achieve financial independence. The knowledge you acquire empowers you to put your money to work for you, generating earnings around the clock. This goes beyond the conventional idea of solely relying on traditional employment. Take a moment to consider the impact of mastering financial education. It's not just about making money, it's about making money work for you. This is the education that holds the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter: how to make money without constantly clocking in hours. Robert Kiyosaki's insights are pure gold in this realm, and I'm here to break them down for you. So listen up, because these nuggets of wisdom can revolutionize your financial game.
The basics of financial education begins with this, with literacy, is it begins with an income statement and a balance sheet. This is the fundamental if you're going to be wealthy.
Second key factor, financial literacy. Let's kickstart with the foundation, financial literacy. Kiyosaki's masterstroke is teaching you how to read the language of money. Envision yourself conversing fluently in the dialect of income statements and balance sheets. These financial tools are like ancient scrolls that unveil the intricate choreography of your wealth. They show how money gracefully flows into and out of your life. Kiyosaki rightly says, "The more you can read numbers, the safer you are." As you master the art of interpreting these financial instruments, you're not just a spectator anymore, but a participant in the grand symphony of wealth creation. You're equipped to navigate the financial landscape with a keen eye, making informed decisions that steer the course of your prosperity. By honing your financial literacy, you're joining the ranks of those who aren't content with letting money slip through their fingers. You're stepping into a league where wealth is not an elusive dream, but a concrete reality. It's about understanding the financial heartbeat of your endeavors, making calculated moves, and nurturing your resources. In Kiyosaki's words, you're becoming money-wise. This wisdom is your tool for sculpting a more secure and prosperous future. So remember, it's not just about money. It's about speaking the language of financial success. This mastery grants you entry into the realm of wealth builders, where your actions are orchestrated by knowledge and guided by insight.
But when I look at somebody's financials, people like E's and S's, employees and self-employed, they think this line here, salary, is the most important. That's not what my rich dad and I was taught me to look for. He wanted me to look at these lines here: interest, dividends, real estate, businesses. Okay. It's this here that makes people rich.
Third key factor, assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki's big revelation lies in assets and liabilities. Forget the confusing jargon. This is about what fills or drains your pocket. Assets are your allies. They stuff cash into your wallet, whether you're hitting the grind. These could be rental properties, royalties, or even stocks. Liabilities, on the flip side, siphon your hard-earned money. Ever wondered why job security becomes a sweaty concern? Many folks mistake liabilities for assets, keeping them perpetually bound to the grind of work. You can spot the difference between these two, assets and liabilities. You're no longer a slave to your job because you've unlocked the door to financial freedom. You're not just working hard, you're working smart. Kiyosaki's lessons aren't just about spreadsheets. They're about a pivotal mindset shift in your wealth journey. Remember, the journey to financial enlightenment isn't a sprint, but a marathon. Soak in these insights and start your journey toward financial empowerment the Kiyosaki way. In conclusion, the choice is always yours. The journey towards financial independence, as illuminated by Kiyosaki's wisdom, hinges on your commitment and determination. The ball is in your court. Will you seize the opportunity to pave your way towards unceasing financial liberation? The path might not always be easy, but the potential rewards are boundless. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.